Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video it is going to be a quick and snappy one, by the way. I am going to share with you how I made this super cute black and creamy nail polish design with cute cat stamped on it. I am going to use Born Pretty items in here, and if you want any links just let me know. The only thing is I'm not quite sure if I can find the plate, but I will definitely show you the like little code of the plate so you can check it out for yourself. So first up, I of course applied a base coat and a nice layer of a creamy polish. I love to use an off-white, like creamy shade as a base for stamping. I think the colors always look really nice on that, and it's a little bit more soft than a harsh white. Then I'm going in with a beautiful black holographic glittery polish. This one is by Nicole Diary. You can still get that, so if you want a link of any of this like color range of polishes, or like glitter range I have to say, just let me know in the comments down below and I will try to look it up for you, because I think these are still available. There are a lot of colors to choose from as well. In one of my previous videos, I think it was last month in December, I actually shared with you my review of these polishes, so I will try to add that in the end screen so you can check it out as well if you want to see what other colors are out there and what tones you might even want to get for yourself. So this glittery polish I'm just going to apply to my thumb, my pointer finger and my pinky. These are more of like the filler up design nails. I mostly wanted to have the focus on the stamp design that I'm going to do on the middle finger and the ring finger as well, but I love my glitter, you guys know me, and this one is a black holographic one with different sized glitter, which is pretty cool, but it can also be kind of like a hassle to place them nicely. So if you do want to like add more of the bigger chunkier glitter from this polish, you can take a dotting tool or a toothpick and just fish them out of the little bottle of, or maybe off of the brush, and just place them wherever you want to, because these can be a little bit of a hassle to get a nice placement of. Like sometimes you get a lot of the small glitter but none of the big, so you can just place that like apart from the brush if you want to do something like that. I usually just try to apply it with the brush because I don't want to have any tools I have to clean up afterwards, just to save a little time on that, you know. But yeah, just apply that glitter polish or any other color, of course. You don't have to choose the colors that I'm using for this particular design. You can just switch it up. You can use a white as a background, maybe a red or a pink or a blue. Then we're going to stamp. It is the plate BP128. It is a really cute tiny plate. There are a lot of cats on here and some bears as well. I thought that was really cute. It's like kind of like Where's Wally, but then like where's the bear? Because there are a lot of cats on there, and it actually took me like a few days before I actually noticed that there were bears on this plate as well. But there are a few, a little bit in the center on the top of the plate, you can see a few little bears. So yeah, I just wanted to do a cat design because you know me, I'm a big cat lady. Kind of like a crazy cat lady as well. I have 2 cats. I've raised cats myself, but when I was little we always had cats. We had a lot of different animals actually: chicken, parrots, dogs, anything, fish. We had like a whole zoo at home. But yeah, I'm a big cat lady, cat fan, you can say. You can actually tell by my Hello Kitty ring as well. I've had some questions about that, like where I got it, if it's still available, but I have no idea because my husband actually got that for me like 10 or 11 years ago already, so I really don't know. I'm sorry about that. But back to the design. I just wanted to have 2 cute little like nails full of stamped cat faces because cats are just adorable. I love them. So I just made sure that I had 2 different designs on my stamper, so I didn't have any like double cat faces on my nails, you know. And after you're done with the stamping, you can just clean your plate. I always use a little bit of nail polish remover with acetone. You can use like pure acetone as well, and make sure to also clean up your stamper. and your scraper, of course. The stamper, it's a clear one. I always just get a little piece of tape and get rid of any excess that's on there, and yeah, you're like good to go. Of course, I also top coated my nails just with a glossy one. Make sure to let the black stamping polish dry for a longer period of time to prevent any streaking. And that was the entire design and video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.